Direction of resultant electric field. So, direction of resultant electric field at point P. So, due to dipole, that is dipole AB. Okay. So, direction how we will measure. Therefore, tan alpha is equal to from this triangle it is opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side is nothing but E2 divided by result E1. E2 is nothing but intensity of electric field on axial by intensity of electric field, equatorial by axial. Therefore, tan of alpha is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. We are already measured. That is, what is it? P sin theta divided by r cube by 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P 2p cos theta divided by r cube. Here 1 by 4 by epsilon naught get cancelled, pp also get cancelled, r cube also get cancelled. Therefore, 1 by 2 into tan of what is it? Theta. Therefore, tan of alpha is equal to 1 by 2 into tan of theta. Therefore, alpha is equal to 1 by 2 into theta, where theta is equal to 2 alpha. This is what is it? Alpha is direction of this what is it? Resultant electric field at any point on the dipole. So this is the expression. Now here the problem. If two dipoles are parallel with each other, separated by a certain distance, or so actually this is first dipole, second dipole. These two are parallel with each other. The dipole moments are also what are they? Same direction. Then the resultant dipole moment and force, attraction force between them is F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into 3 P1 P2 by r power of 4. This is the expression, force between two dipoles. Suppose here if dipoles are on the same axis, then the force will be added. Then resultant force is 1 by 4 by epsilon naught into 6 P1 P2 divided by r power 4. This is what is that? Net force. This is adding. It is on the same axis. So dipole moments or net dipole moment direction is negative to positive. So that's why minus. Here 1 by 4 by epsilon naught into 6 P1 P2 by r power 4. This is expression. Next, quarter pole. Here electric charges Q minus of 2Q are placed at the what is that? Corners of equilateral triangle ABC side. What is that? Here 1 meter. This is equilateral triangle. So 3 charges are keeping at this what is that? 3 corners. This is Q. Next what is that? Minus of 2Q, Q and Q. So these two, what is it? 3 charges are keeping at these 3 corners of this equilateral triangle. Side is what is that? 1 meter. You can keep anywhere. So for example, Q minus of 2Q are keeping at these 3 corners. 1 meter each sides distance. So this is minus of 2Q. It is broken up into what is that? 2 components. That is minus of Q, minus of Q. This is one dipole and this is another dipole. The dipole moment of this first dipole it is what is that? P1, that is equal to P, and the dipole moment of this second one it is what is that? P2, it is So what is that? Resultant electrical dipole moment that is equal to P. Therefore P is equal to square root of what is that? P1 square according to Parallelogram law of vector addition methods. P2 square 2 into P1 P2 cos of theta. Therefore P1 is nothing but what is that? P square plus P square plus 2 into P square into cos of theta. Angle between these two dipole moments, that is 60 degree. Therefore P square plus P square, that is 2P square, and 2P square into cos of 60, that is 1 by 2. Here root of 3 into P square. Therefore root 3 into what is that? P. The dipole moment of this dipole is what is that? Here root 3 into P, that is equal to magnitude of charge into separation between two charges, that is 1. Therefore root 3 into Q into side it is what is that? 1. Root 3 into Q. Side actually it is, if it is mentioned L centimeter, then for example that is L. Therefore expression it is what is that? P into what is that? Q into L. Therefore root 3 into Q into L. If it is mentioned 1 meter, that is 1. Instead of this L we can take 1.